Look at the difference between these two avatars. They're the exact same AI model. The one on the left looks like a generic stock character. The one on the right looks like a high-paid consultant who charges $500 an hour. The difference isn't in the voice, it's the wardrobe. Hi, I'm Kimberly Go. If you're using AI video for business, you have the same fear that I do. You worry that your videos look cookie cutter. You don't want your high-stakes video to look like everyone else's. You want it to look customized for your brand. Well, Synthesia just released a massive update that solves this: generative outfits. This feature is available on all plans, and later I'll tell you exactly how to gain access. In this video, I'm going to show you how to swap out that boring gray t-shirt for a custom outfit tailored to any industry, whether you need a polished executive, a doctor in scrubs, or a construction worker. And because guessing the right prompts is frustrating, I've done the heavy lifting for you. I've created a free outfit cheat sheet with 12 tested prompts to help you get the perfect look instantly. I'll show you how to get that in a moment. But first, there's one critical thing you need to know. This is cutting-edge technology, so at the time I'm filming this video, it only works on Synthesia's 6 newest avatars. But soon, they'll be rolling out this feature to many other avatars as well. When you're scrolling through the avatar library, be sure to look for this gray icon in the corner. That icon means this avatar is generate ready, allowing you to customize both their outfit and their background. So for today's tutorial, we're going to use Carol since she's fully compatible with this new feature. Before we worry about the background, we need to establish her identity. If she's leading a corporate strategy meeting, this gray t-shirt probably won't work. Let's open up the cheat sheet and upgrade her look. To follow along with me today, you'll need a free Synthesia account. I'll leave a link in the description below so you can get started. I've been talking for a long time. Let me get a drink of water. Here on the Synthesia homepage, click Create to make a new video. There are lots of professionally designed templates to choose from, but let's start from blank. We'll delete these default items and click the avatar button and choose Carol. Then hit Create Outfit. Synthesia will suggest an outfit, or you can write your own description. But this is where most people make the mistake of typing something generic like business suit. If you type business suit, you'll get a typical shiny, boring business suit. We don't want generic, we want specific. That's why I built the outfit cheat sheet. I tested hundreds of prompts to find the words that trigger high-quality textures. Let's start with this prompt for a creative director. Notice I use specific words like sophisticated style, black cashmere, and natural fabric weave to get this look. After you've created an outfit, you can click these 3 dots and reuse the prompt. Let's change her blazer to a vibrant purple linen and add a necklace as a finishing touch. Click Add to Scene to place your avatar in the video. But maybe you aren't talking to the board of directors. Maybe you're training staff on a job site where everyone wears a safety vest. If your avatar is wearing an expensive business suit in a forklift safety video, your video will look amateur and your audience will probably tune out. But when you customize the avatar's outfit to fit the story, you gain instant credibility. And this really comes in handy when you have your avatar act out a scene in a video with Synthesia's new video generation feature. Now, we all know that sometimes AI can get a little bit too creative. It might add a weird logo or a busy pattern that you didn't ask for. And that's why I included a bonus section in the cheat sheet called How to Fix Common Glitches. If the shirt looks messy, try using the words smooth, clean, or plain, as in plain white shirt. That forces the AI to remove any weird artifacts or patterns. That small tweak could be the difference between an avatar that looks glitchy and one that looks polished. Best of all, at the time of this recording, outfit generation doesn't consume any credits, so don't be afraid to experiment. You can regenerate these outfits as many times as you want until it's perfect without burning through any of your video credits. You can download the outfit cheat sheet with the link in the description below to get started experimenting with avatar outfits. It's completely free and it's a great way to give your avatar a custom look. Okay, now Carol is dressed for success. But look where she's standing. This default office is fine, but it's generic. To get a truly professional result, we need to match the background to the avatar's identity. We'll start by clicking the scene with our avatar to select it. You'll see a shortcut menu here at the top, but there's also a more detailed menu on the side. You can zoom in for a close-up, put her into a circle, or choose a different environmental space. Synthesia gives us these incredible pre-made spaces. If she's a doctor, put her in a modern medical facility. If she's in logistics, use the global freight hub. See the difference? Now the context matches the clothes. Using these pre-made spaces is the fastest way to get a great result. But what if none of these pre-made spaces fits your needs? What if you need a specific background or an environment that isn't in this list? Synthesia does allow you to generate completely custom backgrounds from scratch, but getting that right is a whole different strategy. I'm going to show you exactly how to build a $10,000 custom studio background in my next video. It'll appear right here on the screen as soon as it's released.